So guys, this is how the road work here is going. You see from this side there is not okay. Here is excavated because this place likes collecting much water, and it's also near the, actually we are at the shores of the lake, so this place always collects water. Yes guys, good morning, depending on your different time zone. It's a morning in Uganda here, and I'm coming live from Luzira. And this place you see here, you see, if I can rotate this side, you see, this place is called the Kabalega Crescent. These places are called Kabalega Crescent, and this is found within this area of Luzira. Crescent, and this is Kabalega Road. This one which I've just shown here, this one, it is called Kabalega Road. It is found within here Luzira. So guys, I'm not feeling well. It has been a day. It's like 3 days now I'm down from today. 3 days back from now, I've been sick. So I've been silently. So guys, now, not to cut the story short, I want us to go and explore. We are going to explore Port Bell to see some changes which are in Port Bell. But this side I'm here, it is in Luzira. It's called these are Crescent homes. Here you can see all these ones. The place is big. It's not just the only way I'm standing, but it's too big. So we shall follow this side of the route. Which one? Let me see. So it's from this side of the road, this one, that goes straight to Port Bell. And it's just like 500 meters from here up to Port Bell. So let's follow that route and we go and see some changes which are in Port Bell. So guys, you can see people are going for work. It's a Saturday today and people are struggling to go for work. Let's continue. It's a quiet place. It's a quiet place where there's no noise. No much noise in the place. So you can see the view from here. The other one down, that's Port Bell. And behind, there's water. That's Lake Victoria. And there's a ship there. So guys, we are heading to Port Bell. We are about to reach. This side here, this is breweries, Uganda breweries, where they manufacture some types of alcohol. Then these sides, we have parkings of DHL. Then the Port Bell is down there, guys. Let's first try to move. So these sides are parking for the vehicles of DHL. Then this route goes to the beach. You see how the road is. This road was just renovated recently. I think they just made some repair because this side they have not yet done any road construction work. It's just some repairs. They did a repair on this road. So guys, this is how the road work here is going. See, from this side there, is not okay. Here is excavated because this place likes collecting much water, and it's also near the, actually we are at the shores of the lake, so this place always collects water. They have tried to dig here to put some stones. You know, stones, they are good at absorbing water. If water is too much, it's good on absorbing water, and also it is risen up this side there. Now you can see. So this side there, they are working on it, and the road is risen up. Recently it was done and it was being disturbed by water. Here, the whole of this place here. This is Port Bell, guys. Welcome to Port Bell. The other side is the parking for DHL, where they park the crates. And the other one is for DHL, the other side. That's the head office, sorry, their branch. This side there. Also down here, it's not yet finished. The work is not yet finished. It's still going on. It's still going on. You can see the excavators parked there. Guys, let me first zoom a bit. So you can see, guys, work is still going on. It's not yet done. This is Port Bell. I've liked the road is risen up, and I don't think water will still continue disturbing people. I don't think the water will still continue disturbing people. I don't think so. So here, guys, here I'm at the station here. This is a railway station. You can see even behind me, there's a train there, parked. Those are for cargo. So now this is how the place is being transformed. This place is not yet transformed, guys. It's some changes are coming, but I'm seeing slowly. They are starting with the roads. Then issues of other constructions and so on. I know that one will come in later. You can see from here the view. This is the view from here. So this is how Port Bell looks like, guys. This is how Port Bell looks like. Then this one here, this is the station, the port, where the ship comes, and the office, where the ships comes and land from the other side. Then clearance and so on. Or if there's something they can park in the train, it is from that side, guys. So let's first go to the shores of the lake. We first go to the shores of the lake. So let's proceed. So guys, this is where people do a lot of businesses. You see others, they sell shops. Others, they are selling here firewood. This firewood are from the other side of the lake. And also others, they sell fish. Yes, if you want to enjoy fish, you can come this side there. So it's still a morning and people are not yet They have not yet opened their shops. There are birds enjoying here. There are a lot of beaches in this place, guys. There are a lot of beaches. There are a lot of beaches on this shore. Just not here, but surrounding this lake. Because I said this is the shore, And this is the biggest ship here. No, this is not the biggest. There are others which have gone, by the way. This is for carrying cargoes, and it's not for transporting people, no. Then I said this is the URA office. You can see behind there, that's the URA office where they clear things when it comes from out. Plus other offices and stores. Others are stores for keeping what? For keeping